What if your crypto wallet was as secure as a bank vault, as easy to use as a credit card, and worked completely offline? Well, the next gen wallet, it is here. It fits in your pocket like a credit card, and here's why it might be the safest way to actually store crypto. Please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, you guys are probably asking, what is Toom? Well, let me go ahead and tell you right now that this is a hardware wallet. We're talking about it stores crypto, cold storage, or max security. Not only that, you guys, they got credit card size, okay? So it is credit card sized, so it fits right in your wallet, and it's ultra portable. I also want you guys to understand that there is no batteries, screens, right? We're talking about it uses NFC, which is technically a tap to purchase with your phone. Now, this actually has some of the top security features. So if we go ahead and just tell you right now, we're talking about it's got a secure chip, which is really cool. Not only that, you guys, but I also want you guys to understand we're talking about self-custody. So technically, you own your keys, not Tangent, you guys. But I also want you guys to understand we have a backup option, right? So technically, you could buy multiple cards to actually recover funds if it is actually lost. All right. Now, something else that's really cool is that they do have, let's say it's considered ease of use, right? It's easy to use, especially for beginners. So they do have tap and go. Works with phone, NFC, as mentioned. There's no cables or charging. It supports 1,000 plus coins, you guys. So we are technically talking about, we got like Bitcoin, we got Ethereum, we're talking about Solana and more. And it's a simple, okay? So you can actually manage crypto with Tangent's mobile app. All right, which is actually really cool. And you guys can actually see that right here, that you can actually download this in multiple different places, right? And that is what we like to see. So why do you want to choose Tangent technically over others? Well, listen, you guys, we're talking about it's more affordable, cheaper than Ledger and Treasure. Not only that, no setup hassle. All right, so preload with keys, just tap to activate, and it's even travel friendly, right? No airport security concerns, and it looks like a normal card, right? Which is actually really cool. So you guys can even see right here, there's a lot of other benefit, right? So a few other things to mention, guys. I mean, there's no seed phrase risk. Okay, so keys are securely embedded in the card. I need you guys to understand that. Once again, you can buy multiple cards as mentioned, right? You can use one as a backup, like a spare key. Not only that, these are great for, say, crypto gift cards. It's a great way to introduce friends to crypto. And then they even have a lot of upcoming features. So we're talking about new coins, DeFi integration, right? Not only that, but the roadmap. Okay, so I just want you guys to understand. You can actually just kind of scroll through here and you guys can see that they have a lot of important details, okay, which is actually really good. Now, the wallet, you guys will see right here that you're actually going to be able to get this, okay? So technically we got Tangent, okay, the Tangent wallet. And you guys need to understand, I mean, whenever it comes to this thing, you guys, great opportunity. You got 3 sets for literally $59.40. All right. Not only that, we got 2 card sets for $54.90. And then obviously we got Tangent Ring. Okay. So a ring and 2 cards. That's actually different. Okay. I like that. Okay. Not only that, but you guys can see right here, you can choose the size, right? So obviously, you choose whatever you like. You can easily pay. We got delivery estimated 1 to 3 days, okay, which is great. Card holder, you guys can see that right there, which is good. Love the card holder. Not only that, you can pay with PayPal, all that stuff, order, right? So once again, Tangent versus other cold wallets. I mean, look at this, you guys. All right, they are absolutely dominating it, which is good. Okay, so I just want you guys to understand. Once again, you can easily get this thing. All right. So make sure you guys check them out. Also, make sure you guys dive down directly, say, into the Twitter. All right. You want to make sure that you actually smash up that follow button. Maybe you got a Telegram right here. You can check that out. You can even go right here, shop.tangem.com/buy. And you guys will see right here, just smash up them hearts, right? You definitely want to show appreciation whenever it comes to this project. All right. Oh, looky there. All right. So, anyways, big opportunity. All right. I want you guys to understand that self-custody very important nowadays, especially with these exchanges. Right. Well, you guys will see right here just a lot of things happening, which is good. I think this makes perfect sense, especially with the fact that you can travel with it. Right. You don't even need to, what's the word? You don't need to declare it. Okay. And just put it in your wallet, walk through, especially through like TSA and stuff. No problems. All right. So other than that, let us know exactly what you guys think. As mentioned, this is a big opportunity, and I think it's going to be great, especially for this project, right? Provides it's secure, it's safe, it's awesome. All right, so let me know exactly what you guys think. So if you guys will, please leave some comments down below and tell me, what do you think about this wallet? As you guys already heard me, I mean, there's a lot of benefits here, and I actually think it's really good, especially the fact that you can travel, you can use it like just to tap. It's awesome. All right, so leave some comments as mentioned. Check out the links in the description. And also be sure to smash up that like button, smash up the subscribe button, and just let us know, what do you think?